Hey everyone, welcome back to Alf's Mustang Garage, bringing you another video to help keep your Mustang on the road and out of the garage. Today we're working on a 1966 Mustang convertible C4 automatic transmission, and we're dealing with some leaks. So there's a lot of common things with C4 transmission and leaks, and that's like the one thing that C4 transmissions love to do is leak. So what a lot of us do is we love to do the pan, and then a little while later we'll notice fluid is dripping off the pan again. But what's common are these band adjuster nuts. They have a little seal that goes around that nut and seals the adjuster for the band on here. There's one on this side, and there's also one here on this side as well. And they are very prone to leaking. As you can see, the fluid is already coming out of these. Those seals just go bad, and then they leak down onto the transmission pan. It looks like your pan's still leaking. So today we're just going to do a quick short little video on doing these band adjuster nuts. Okay, so this is actually a really simple repair. You're just going to need a 3/4 wrench and a 5/16 wrench. This is for your band adjustment, so you don't want to you want to keep your band in the same location. So we're going to break this nut free. That sucker was tight on there, holy cow. So again, you're keeping your band in the same location. So make sure you don't turn the actual adjustment. You're just undoing the nut. And as you can see, the seal on there is completely gone. Looks like some of it is stuck here on the stud. So the issue with this one is part of the old seal is stuck on the transmission end here. You definitely want to get that old seal off of there, otherwise you're not going to seal. There it is, look at this thing. It's just like totally dried up and solid. So here's your new seal compared to your old seal. You can see it's got a nice soft rubber seal on your new nut, and that old one was just completely dried and cracked and just super stiff. So very, very common. I see this a lot. I'm going to post a link in the description for these band adjuster nuts as well. This is not just any ordinary nut. It's got that seal incorporated with it. Okay, as it gets, you know, flush with the case, you're gonna kind of feel that seal kind of crush a little bit, I guess. And it's just a snug fit. You don't put these super tight. But that should be it, and that's going to seal so the ATF that's in there won't work its way past the bolt and down here. It won't be on the threads. And so obviously I'm going to do this on the other side, but that's pretty much all there is to it. It's just really common. It's a really cheap fix. It's a really easy fix. So hopefully that helps you in trying to get your C4 transmission sealed up. And as always, I appreciate you watching, and we'll catch you on the next go around.